how to enable or disable the notification center from lock screen on your Tecno Spark Go 1S mobile phone. And okay guys, here in your mobile phone, okay, go to settings. In settings, okay, scroll down and go to notification center. Here in notification center, go to more settings. Okay, tap this. In more settings, okay, you can see here the swipe down on lock screen. Okay, you can tap this and now you can see here the notification center. Okay, the notification center is off. So if you want to enable this or turn on this, okay, you'll have to do is switch on the switch button on the right side. And that's it. Okay, you have successfully enabled. And if you want to disable again the notification center from your lock screen, okay, you'll have to do is switch off the switch button on the right side. And that's it. Okay, we have successfully enabled or disabled the notification center from lock screen on your Tecno Spark Go 1S mobile phone. And okay guys, if you have a question, kindly comment below. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new video. Okay, thanks for watching.